Here we come to the elevator at the Macy's parking garage at Tucson Mall in Tucson, Arizona. This is an Otis Series 6. It is in rough shape, but it is a Series 6. Let's get a cab view. Egg lantern. That is a 6-door operator. This thing is disgusting. I don't know what that buzz is. Let's go up to 2 if we can. This thing is low on oil. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Let's ring the egg lantern again. Nice egg lantern. Otis Series 6. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Installed in 2008. Low on oil. This thing is in horrible condition. Very dirty. The egg lantern again. Just the button go out. It's in rough shape. Ring the bell one last time. Oh, it's already lit. So we'll watch it go. There it goes. And that's gonna be it.